this section, we will discuss about the data analysis technique in detail. So in this section, the focus would be more on statistics as a part of 4.1. If you are good at statistics, then relatively it would be an easier section for you, because most of the concepts which are talked and discussed in this section would be pertaining to statistics, and questions can be asked in this sections as well. There can be at least 4 to 5 questions, if not more than that, can be asked as part of this section. So let's look into the details of statistics and into section 4.1.
So section 4.1.1 explain what distinguishes the descriptive statistics from inferential statistics. So as a part of this section, we will discuss in detail how the descriptive statistics and inferential statistics are being used, and what are the basic elements in terms of data collection, and what are the potential outcomes for the same. So data analytics is, as we say, is all about finding the hidden patterns and the trend in the data, and based on that, it's aimed at providing the prediction to help the business to make wise decisions. So statistics is indispensable tool used by data analytics. So if you see the overall journey of it, it was the statistics which was initially being used, and then recently the stream of data analytics has been coined. So statistics basically provides several analytical functions that could be applied to the data to get the insights, and some statistical function help summarize the data using the functions such as mean, median, mode, max, variance, standard deviation, so on and so forth. So these functions, which basically describe the shape and nature of data and help you to unearth the patterns and trend, we also call them as a descriptive statistics. Whereas the inferential statistics is used where we want to find the exploratory analysis. So what it means is we can use the statistics methods to do the prediction based on the historical data. So when we use, or when we plan to use statistics for doing the prediction or the kind of probability to provide the prediction, then we go for inferential statistics. So inferential statistics basically provides the ability to forecast the future trends using the sample data. So that's in a nutshell the difference about the descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. So in exam, definitely you can expect a couple of questions from this directly from the perspective of, like, how descriptive statistics differ than the inferential statistics. So as we say, obviously these are the two subfields of statistics, which can be described as a descriptive statistics or inferential statistics, but then they basically differ from the perspective that descriptive statistics can be used specifically for the external folks when you're trying to describe the overall statistics, or from the perspective of mean, median, mode, and so on and so forth. And inferential statistics can be used internally where you're trying to use the exploratory analysis. You're trying to predict the kind of future from the perspective of data which is being gathered. And obviously, in a nutshell, statistics involves the science of collecting the data and how the data is getting organized, analyzed, interpreted, and then presented to meet the primary goal of giving business some insights. So that's in a nutshell the outcome or the difference between the descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. So section 4.2, data mining. So as a part of this section, we will discuss, or we will explain in detail what is data mining and what are the key elements of data mining, uh, and everything pertaining to the data mining will be looked upon. Section 4.2.1, so explain the data mining. So data mining is basically also defined as a knowledge discovery from data or knowledge discovery in the databases. So data mining seek to find new and unmined patterns and relationships that are not immediately apparent. Data mining also relies on domain expert from human operators regarding which variables and patterns to probe. So it is a process of extracting the valuable insights and pattern from the large volume of data. So it involves applying multiple techniques, the likes of statistics, the likes of machine learning, the likes of other pattern to unfind the hidden relationships, and it aims to it aims to make or help business make decisions, and that basically helps you to also build some predictive modeling. So the amount of data which is used for data mining definitely is of large amount, and whenever you're trying to apply the concepts of data mining, you need to select the right business problem. At the end of the day, whenever you are using data analytics as a science, it is all about solving the business problem. So you need to pick up the right business problem, have the right business target, and then data is used for deriving the insights from that. So that's in a nutshell about data mining. It's a process of extracting valuable insights for your business so that business can take decision in a logical manner. Quick recap before moving ahead. We discussed about the basic elements of data mining. We discussed about how the descriptive statistics is different than the predictive statistics. And we also discussed about the descriptive statistics is all about getting or explaining the data. And we also discussed the examples of descriptive statistics can be using the mean, median, mode, standard deviation. So let's try to give an example. Suppose if you have 10 students whose heights are from the range of 10 to 20 uh, inches, in that case, what you try to do is you try to either find the mean, you try to find the median, you try to find the mode so that you can describe the central tendency for these students. Similarly, if you are there in a school, you're trying to plot the marks of the students, you try to get all the students' marks, you try to find the mean, you try to find the median and mode and a central tendency or standard deviation, which basically helps you to find how the students are performing in the exam. So these case basically falls in the category of descriptive statistics. For the for the inferential statistics, it basically helps you to do the prediction. So in that case, you use various other tools, and machine learning is also one of the element which can be used for the likes of inferential statistics.